So this is the first code for the continuous convolution. I'll run 8, and this is the figure. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, and the figure 4. Now the second, the convolution of infinite sequence. I will run 8. This is the figure 1, the figure 2, figure 3, figure 4, figure 5, and then the last figure. Then the third one, the exercise. I will run 8, and first one, this is the second one.